These are the Stev's carbon fiber lateral panels for the Ferrari F355. These panels are made with full carbon fiber layup using high quality epoxy resin and the vacuum infusion process. They are finished using our multi-stage coating process to get the best finish possible without adding unnecessary weight and brittleness as gel-coated polyester parts would. We developed our own proprietary coating process to complement the quality of the carbon parts we make. Manufacturing a high-performance carbon fiber product is only half the battle. Properly clear coating carbon fiber requires a multitude of skills in both finishing and painting techniques, as well as the knowledge in how composites are manufactured and choosing the right materials. These panels are less than half the weight of the original aluminum ones. Each original factory panel weighs in at around 570 grams, whereas the Stev's carbon fiber panels come in at about 210 grams. They are a direct fit to the vehicle. You can choose to use the original cable guide clips for the shock absorber connectors, but we have also included a pair of black 3D printed guides that can be used instead. Also included is black foam weather stripping, as is observed on the original panels. For more information on this product and to see what else Stev's offers, please visit our website at stevs.ca. That's stevs.ca. Along with our shop, check out our blog section for interesting articles and behind the scenes information of everything carbon fiber. Thanks for watching.